Here.
Oh my God, hindi mo makikilala!
Congrats, D and Kong.
Oh my God! Sorry ka dito sa kanan ko.
Congrats.
Oh my God! Sir Dave, thank you so much. I love you so much. Nandito pa lang ako sa house.
Congratulations.
Oh my God! Grabe, no?
Vi Cortez and her husband, Song TV, or Lincoln Velasquez, have stirred social media buzz after photos from their grand reception went viral. Earlier, on Monday, June 17th, the YouTube celebrity couple finally tied the knot after being together for 9 years, getting engaged back in November 2023. For their wedding, the couple exchanged wedding vows in a lavish and grand ceremony at the El Annunciata Parish Church, attended by family and friends. The couple's photographer, Nice Print Photo, recently released new and stunning photos of their reception, which was styled by the one and only Dave Sandoval. In the photos, rows of tables lined with beautiful white and beige flowers adorned the place, boasting of a beautiful and lavish setup fit for Song and Vi. Following these online posts, many netizens took to the comment section to greet the celebrity couple, as well as praise the look of their grand reception online.
Here.
Oh my God, hindi mo makikilala!
Congrats, D and Kong.
Oh my God! Sorry ka dito sa kanan ko.
Congrats.
Oh my God! Sir Dave, thank you so much. I love you so much. Nandito pa lang ako sa house.
Congratulations.
Oh my God! Grabe, no? Deserve mo yan, guys.
Wow. Wow.
Oh my God, hindi mo na makita ko.
Congrats.
Dave, ang ganda!
Thank you.
Ito ko yung white na Oh my God, LED ba yung buhong yan? Yes.
Guys,
Guys, pa-open na lang. Grabe! Ano nangyari ko?
parang magic eh. Kasi princess ka ngayon.
Oh my God, yung pangarap kong princess na tupad.
Ito na.
Palakpakan po. And we, para sa kanyang asawa, around the world. From the
ng babe.
Hati sa kanan, kaya hati sa kaliwa. Let's go. Panalo na. O, dito. Yo! Yo, dito tayo. Okay. Sino wala pa? Wala pa. B, excited ka sa round na to. May isa pa tayo dito. Relax ka. Relax naman. Di ka mabay. Di ka mabay. Take ka sa round na to.